So in today's video we discuss how to create a squared plus in your Windows computer using keyboard shortcut Alt 8862. That is, you must go to your computer keyboard, and this keyboard, suppose if you are in Windows keyboard, your number lock key, so you must turn on the number lock. Now you must see the Alt key on the left side or right side of the space bar. You must press this Alt key. I am going to press this Alt key. I am not removing my finger from this Alt key. At the same time I am going to type here 8862. So after typing 8862, I release my finger from this Alt key. So you can see that inside a square there you can see a plus symbol, or this is a squared plus. So we have created a squared plus symbol. So you can try this after opening your Microsoft Word in your Windows computer for creating the squared plus. You must remember this keyboard shortcut. So hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe and stay with Engineers World Online. Thank you.